Hello and welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. My family likes to catch up on their favorite teleserials wherever they are. They did it even on their Europe trip, which I'll obviously not talk about. On one such occasion when I was watching this teleserial along with them, I stumbled upon this colorful, vibrant looking dish called Amiri Khaman, which Daya Bhabhi makes for Jethalal in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. I instantly fell in love with it and have ever since been making it for my family for breakfast and snacks. While this can be made with leftover dhoklas, I love this dish so much that I make fresh dhoklas just to make this Amiri version. So let's see how it's done. First, let's crumble the dhoklas. I'm using freshly steamed dhoklas. You can see that I have not even done the tempering for it. Let's break this up and then crumble them with our fingers to make a nice coarse breadcrumbs-like powder. As I mentioned earlier, you could use leftover dhoklas for this. Hey guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new updates. Now let's do the tempering. Heat a pan or kadai. Add some oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and let it splutter. Next, add the garlic and green chilies. Let them sizzle. Saute until the garlic changes color slightly. Add a pinch of hing or asafoetida and then dump in the crumbled dhoklas. Give it a toss. Next, add in the powdered sugar and if needed some salt. The dhoklas already have salt in them, so taste and adjust accordingly. Mix this up and we are almost done. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and fresh grated coconut. Toss it well and we are done. That's it. Isn't it very simple? But wait, we are not done yet. Time to plate with some more delicious ingredients. Garnish with some more coriander and coconut. Sprinkle some pomegranate seeds and nylon save. See how vibrant and colorful it looks? And it's as delicious as it looks. Give this a try and you'll find out yourself. Do let me know how it goes for you in the comment section below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.